Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use abilities in Invision's Webverse mobile. Open your project, select the component, then open the Abilities panel to add triggers and actions. Choose a trigger like tap or hover, pick an action such as animate or navigate, and fine-tune timing and easing. Test in preview, adjust parameters, and repeat until interactions feel natural and responsive for your users. Start by selecting the element and clicking the plus icon to create a new ability. Name the ability so it is easy to find later, then assign a trigger such as tap or drag. Add actions in the order they should run, like animate then navigate, and configure timing and easing. Use preview frequently to verify behavior and adjust until the interaction feels intuitive and smooth on both web and mobile. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear, friendly tutorials. Quick recommendation. A book I love called The Simple Path to Wealth can truly change how you think about money, and it pairs with design thinking when planning product decisions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grabbed any tips here, please share. Now let's get back to the video. For complex interactions, nest abilities to sequence multiple steps without adding screens. Add small delays and easing curves to make motion feel natural and guide attention. Watch for z-index issues or overlapping elements that can block triggers, and disable conflicting abilities during testing. Use the preview on mobile and web to confirm consistency, then refine timings and transitions until everything feels polished and user-friendly for your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.